So wow, does it doing? What is these Rubik's cubes right now? All right, let's start with one by one. Yeah, it sounds. It's only 6 sides. No. It's only just a cube. Two by two. Yeah. Can you see this crack right there? This is the 2 by 2. Oh! Sorry about that. Okay, this is the. Where is one? That is the 2 by 2. Wait, this isn't 2 by 2. Oh, that's a 3 by 3. Oh my. Next up is a 4 by 4. It turns hard, right? So I will put on the left. The biggest one is I said the biggest one is a 5 by 5 because the next day me and my mom gonna be walking some shopping and buy some 6 by 6. But I have a 5 by 5. So look at that. There's a center right there. I made a line. Okay. What's solving this 3 by 3 or 5 by 5? See you guys in next video.